Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Trust Wallet key. First, understand that your key is actually a 12-word recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase. This unique sequence of words is the master key to all your crypto assets within the wallet. It's crucial for restoring your wallet if you ever lose your device or need to access your funds from a different phone or computer. Treat it with the utmost care. To access your recovery phrase, open your Trust Wallet app. Go to the Settings tab, usually found in the bottom right corner. From there, select Wallets and then tap the three dots next to the wallet you wish to back up. You'll see an option labeled Show Recovery Phrase. After confirming your security, like a passcode or biometric scan, your 12-word phrase will be displayed. Once you see your recovery phrase, it's absolutely vital to write it down immediately. Use a physical pen and paper. Do not store it digitally on your phone or computer. Make several copies and store them in different secure, private locations, like a safe or a locked drawer. Remember, anyone with this phrase can access your funds, so never share it with anyone ever. If you lose your recovery phrase and do not have a backup, Trust Wallet cannot help you recover your funds. There is no forgot password option for a crypto wallet seed phrase. Losing this phrase is equivalent to losing your entire wallet and all its contents permanently. This underscores why backing it up securely right after creating your wallet is the single most important step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.